Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are updated and paired. This avoids sync errors. Install WhatsApp on your iPhone and complete account verification because the watch relies on the phone app. Once done, open the watch app on iPhone and enable notification mirroring for WhatsApp. That lets messages appear on your wrist. Also, check Do Not Disturb and Focus settings so notifications aren't suppressed. This prevents missed alerts when you need them. Now, when a WhatsApp message arrives, tap the notification on your Apple Watch to open the conversation. This shows recent text and small media previews because the watch mirrors the iPhone content. You can reply using quick replies, dictation, emoji, or scribble. Choose dictation for longer responses since it's faster than typing. Make sure your iPhone remains nearby for media downloads. Otherwise, the watch will show placeholders. And if you need to view more, to finish, manage conversations on your iPhone. Archiving, muting, or clearing chats updates watch notifications and keeps alerts relevant. If notifications or replies stop working, restart both devices and make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active, because the watch uses those links to mirror the phone. If problems persist, open WhatsApp settings on iPhone and confirm notifications are allowed. Also verify focus modes aren't blocking the app. This step usually resolves sync issues. If not, reinstall WhatsApp as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.